This is JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program BCom Honors, 3rd Sem. Course is Business Mathematics and Statistics, and the session of today is geometric mean. How to find the geometric mean? In mathematics, the geometric mean is a type of mean or average which indicate the central tendency or typical value of a set of number by using the product of their values opposed to the arithmetic mean which uses their sum. ये ज्योमेट्रिक मीन अर्थमेटिक मीन से कुछ डिफरेंट है। इसमें सभी डेटा को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और जितने भी डेटा हैं उतने वह मूल उसका फाइंड करते हैं। रूट फाइंड करने के बाद हम ज्योमेट्रिक मीन फाइंड कर लेते हैं। द प्रोसेस ऑफ कैलकुलेशन इज दिस फॉर्मूला ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन इज अंडर रूट x1 into x2 into x3 dot xn, or in another way it can be written as x1 into x2 into x3 dot bracket and power 1 by 2, whole power 1 by 2. So geometric mean of number 4 and 9 is 4 and 9 is multiply and then finding the root of 4 into 9, that will be 36, and root of 36 is 6. So geometric mean of 4 and 9 is 6. GM of these numbers 1, 4 and 128. So multiplying 3, 1 into 4 into 128 and then finding the root and we get the same. So calculation of geometric mean is individual observation. Geometric mean of a set of n observations x1, x2 dot x3 xn is given by geometric mean is equal to x1 into x2 into x3 dot xn whole power 1 by n. This is the geometric mean. So taking logarithm of both sides, we observe 1 upon n log x1 into x2 dot xn. So 1 by n log x1 taking logarithm of multiplication, it change into the addition. So n log x1 plus log x2 plus log x3 dot log xn, or that will be 1 upon n sigma log of x. So this is the formula to calculate the geometric mean of many datas. 1 upon n sigma log x. So geometric mean is equal to summation 1 upon n summation log x. We see the geometric mean of a set of observation is the antilog of the logarithm mean of their logarithm. अगर ये logarithm के फॉर्म में है तो हम उसका एंटीलॉग निकाल के ये ज्योमेट्रिक मीन फाइंड कर सकते हैं. फाइंड द ज्योमेट्रिक मीन ऑफ द नंबर 2, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 28. Here there is 6 data. So first of all we have to taking the log of everyone, and then number of, this is the table of n is equal to 1 upon n sigma of fx, 1 upon n sigma of log x. This is 1 upon n sigma f into log x. So frequency and log x multiplied both and divided by n. This is the geometric mean of this particular data. Here in one column 130, 135, 140, 145, 143, and number of corresponding frequency is given here. So that is in the form of log x, and after multiplying it gives the log fx, and f log x upon n we have find the geometric mean. In the continuous series, in case of continuous frequency distribution, geometric mean is given here 1 upon n sigma log of x. This is the formula. So example, to find the geometric mean for the following distribution mark 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, number of students. So this mark is divided into two parts, that will be 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, and students is in front of this. Then multiplying the both f into log x will be this column, and sigma f log x, after calculating you get sigma f log x is equal to 142 into 7006 upon 100. If this divided by the 100, we got the answer. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve soon. Thank you very much. See you.